As a homeowner in Washington, D.C., your windows play a vital role in your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. Over time, however, even the best windows can wear down or become less effective. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can be tricky, especially if you're not sure what signs to look for. Thankfully, there are several clear indicators that can help you determine whether residential window replacement is necessary. Here are some common signs that it may be time to upgrade your windows to enhance your home's performance, aesthetics, and value. Increased energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is a significant increase in energy bills. Older windows, especially single-pane windows or those with worn-out seals, can allow air to escape from your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to your heating and cooling systems working overtime to compensate for the energy loss. If you've noticed that your energy bills have been climbing even though you haven't changed your usage habits, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer providing the insulation they once did. Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent drafts and keep your home's temperature consistent, which can help lower your heating and cooling costs. Visible drafts or air leaks. Drafts are a clear sign that your windows are no longer properly sealed. If you can feel a cold breeze near your windows in the winter or notice that your air conditioning isn't as effective in the summer, it's time to consider replacing your windows. Over time, the seals around your windows can deteriorate, leading to gaps that allow air to flow in and out of your home. To check for air leaks, perform a simple test by holding a lit incense stick or candle near the edges of your window. If the smoke or flame wavers, it's likely that there's an air leak. In addition to drafts, poorly sealed windows can also contribute to moisture problems, leading to condensation and mold growth around the frames. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly without any resistance. If you find that your windows are hard to open or close, or if they stick in the frame, it's a sign that the mechanisms have worn down. In some cases, older windows may become warped or misaligned, which can prevent them from functioning properly. This issue can be especially problematic in emergency situations, such as needing to exit the home quickly in the event of a fire. Having windows that are easy to operate is important for the safety and security of your home. If your windows are consistently problematic, it may be time for a window replacement. Condensation between the panes of glass. If you notice condensation or fogging between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, it's a sign that the seal has failed. Double and triple pane windows are designed with a layer of gas between the panes to provide insulation. When the seal is broken, moisture can enter the space between the glass, leading to condensation. This issue is not just an aesthetic concern. It also indicates that your windows are no longer offering optimal insulation, meaning your home is likely losing energy. If your windows are fogging up between the panes, it's a clear sign that window replacement is necessary to restore your home's efficiency. Outside noise is easily heard indoors. Washington, D.C. is a bustling city with plenty of traffic, construction, and other sources of noise. If you find that outside noise is easily heard inside your home, your windows may not be providing the soundproofing they should. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, can allow noise to easily penetrate your home, disturbing your peace and comfort. New, energy-efficient windows with multiple panes and better seals can help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. If outside sounds are increasingly intrusive, it might be time to consider replacing your windows with more soundproof options. Visible damage or deterioration. Another obvious sign that you may need to replace your windows is visible damage. If your windows are cracked, chipped, or have rotting wood around the frames, they're no longer functioning at their best. Not only do these types of damage compromise your home's aesthetics, but they can also weaken the structural integrity of the window and allow air, water, and pests to enter. Additionally, windows that have cracked or broken glass are a safety hazard. If the damage is extensive, replacing the window entirely is a more cost-effective and safer option than attempting to repair it. High maintenance and frequent repairs. If you find yourself frequently repairing and maintaining your windows, it may be time to consider window replacement. Older windows, especially wooden ones, can require constant upkeep, such as repainting, sealing, and adjusting hardware. As windows age, they may become harder to maintain, leading to ongoing repair costs. Modern windows are designed with low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which resist fading, rotting, and warping, significantly reducing the need for repairs. By replacing your old windows with these modern, durable options, you'll save time and money on maintenance. Deteriorating appearance. Windows are one of the most prominent features of your home, and over time, they can lose their visual appeal. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or peeling, they can detract from your home's overall appearance. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply improve its curb appeal, installing new windows can instantly upgrade the look of your property. New windows come in a variety of styles and finishes, allowing you to select options that complement your home's architectural style and enhance its exterior. Conclusion. Knowing when it's time for residential window replacement in Washington, D.C. is key to maintaining the comfort, security, and efficiency of your home. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, such as increased energy bills, difficulty operating your windows, or visible damage, it may be time to upgrade your windows. New windows will not only improve your home's performance but will also add value, comfort, and curb appeal, making them a worthwhile investment. Consult with a professional to explore your window replacement options and find the best solutions for your home.